आज आपने हमें इतने अच्छे से पढ़ाया, हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है अब अपनी चीज़ों को, अपनी बातों को प्रेजेंट करने का। वैसे तो हमें इंग्लिश मतलब ऐसे थोड़ी बहुत आती थी, पर अपनी चीज़ों को हम प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पाते थे, और आपने हमें एक वे दिया है, एक रास्ता दिखाया है कि हमें प्रेजेंट कैसे करना, हमें बात कैसे करना, हमारा बिहेवियर कैसे होना चाहिए, एक मैनर कैसे होना चाहिए। सो थैंक यू सो मच सर।
I want to say that never stop learning because life is never stop teaching. And second, love your family because only family is there with you for any situation.
Very good.
First of all, I want to say that thanks to sir who has given me a golden chance to speak on here. Now I am going to tell my future routine. First of all, I will get up early in the morning tomorrow, 6 o'clock. Later on, I will get fresh. Then after, I will brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I will take bath. After taking bath, I will pray to God. Then after, I will make a breakfast. After that, I will take breakfast. Later on, I will get ready. Then after, I will go to college. After that, I will meet my friends. Then after, I attend the assembly. Later on, I attend the class. After that, I will take lunch. Later on, I will attend the class. After that, I will go to home. Later on, I will take rest and use my mobile phone. Then after, I will go to market and take water balls and ice cream. After that, I will come to home. Then after, I take nap. After that, I will study. Later on, I will make dinner. Then after, I take dinner. Later on, I study. After that, I will use my mobile phone. Later on, I will call my family and talk to my mother and sister. After that, I will go to bed. Then after, I go to sleep. That's all. Thanks for listening to me.
Very good.
First of all, I will get up early in the morning tomorrow, 6 o'clock. Then after, I will get fresh. Later on, I will brush the teeth. After that, I will take bath. Then after, I will pray to God. Later on, I will make breakfast. Then after, I will take breakfast. Later on, I will go to ready. Later on, I will go to college. Then after, I will attend my class. Later on, I will take lunch. Then after, I will come to home, and after that, I will take rest. Then after, I will use my mobile phone. Then after, I will go to market. Then after, I take water ball. Then after, I will come back to home. Then after, I make dinner. Later on, I will take dinner. Then after, I will study. Then after, I will go to bed. Then after, I will sleep. I will get up early in the morning tomorrow 5 o'clock. Then after, I will get dressed. After then, I brush the teeth. I will take bath. After taking bath, I will pray to God. Later on, I will make breakfast. Then after, I will take breakfast. Then after, I will go to college. After then, I will attend the assembly. Then after, I will meet my friends and talk about my previous class and topic. Then after, I will attend the class. After then, I will take lunch. Then after, I will go to home. Then later on, I will go to market and I will take water balls. Then after, I will make dinner. Then after then, I will serve the dinner. And then after, I will study. And after then, I will talk to my family for my morning to evening routine in my classes. Thank you so much. I will get
get up early in the morning, tomorrow 6 o'clock. Then after I will fresh it, then after I brush the teeth, then after I will take bath. After taking bath, then after pray to God, then after I pray, then after I will take breakfast, then after I will go to ready, then after I will go to college, then after I will meet my friends, then after I will attend the class, then after I will take lunch, then after I back to home, then after I sleep, then after I use my mobile, then after I will go to market, then after I will take momos, ice cream, then after I back to home, then after I prepare the food, then after serve my family food, then after I take food, then after I go to bedroom, then after I study, then I will get fresh. After then I will brush the teeth. Then after I will take bath. After then I will wear the clothes. Then after I will pray to the God. After then I will prepare breakfast. Then after I will take breakfast. Then after I will go to college. After then I will meet my friends. After then I will attend the class. Then after I will take the lunch. Then after I will attend the class. After then I will go to home. After then I will take nap. Then after I will use my mobile. After then I will take rest. Then after I will go to market. After then I will buy vegetable. After then I will take momos, water balls are. After then I will go to home. Then after I will take rest. After then I will study. Then after I will prepare dinner. After then I will serve the dinner my family. After then I will take dinner. Then after I will go to bed. After then I will sleeping. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
I take bath. After then I pray to God. Then after I will prepare the breakfast. After then I will make the breakfast. Then after I get ready. After then I will go to institute. Then after I will meet my friend. After that I will attend the class. Then after I will discussion the topic to my teachers. After then I take lunch. Then after I come back to home. After then I rest. Then after I will go to market in evening. Then after I buy vegetable. Then after I come back to home. After then I will rest. Then after I will go to kitchen. After then I wash the vegetable. Then after I cut vegetable. Then after then after I need the dough. After then I will prepare the dinner. Then after I will serve dinner to my family. After then I take dinner. Then after I will go to kitchen. After then I will clean the kitchen. Then after I will wash the burden. After then I will make the bed. Then after I will walk to room. After then I study. Then after I will use my mobile phone. After then I sleep. Then after I will sleep. Thanks for listening carefully.
Very good. God is done. So